Today, I'll be sharing with you a few things that no one told me when I first started working from home. So, your home becomes your office space. And what I had to do, for example, was I had to disconnect my doorbell because it interrupted sessions. And on Thursdays, I don't accept VRI work because the gardener comes with a loud leaf blower. Sometimes you have to say no if the setting or space you can provide isn't a good fit. There will always be something unexpected, like a neighbor, a pet, an alarm. And you can't control everything, but what you can do is prepare as best as possible to offer a professional setting. It's not about having everything exactly right and perfect. It's about knowing what I can offer and also what I can't and what I can say no to. And saying no to a VRI session can be something done professionally. What kind of adjustments have you made in your homework setup?